Since I got third place in my 65 class, we get to dye my dad's hair any color we want, but he doesn't know the color yet. Keep watching to see what color we decide.
Okay, so the deal was if anybody got third place or higher, they got to dye my hair. I don't get to know what color it is. I'm assuming it's black or dark brown, but I'm trusting Mom mixed this together real good and we'll see how it turns out.
Yeah, we don't even have it anymore.
Take it to Mom.
Okay, we'll do it.
Oh. Okay, add some more.
Yes. Material girl. Yes. Yes. Eat it up.
Look.
Right up.
Why is it white? I thought it was supposed to be like black or dark brown.
Oh, I think it like turns into. Yeah. I think you need to wash it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long do we have to wait?
An hour.
Oh my God. All right.
Dad, are you ready to show them your hair? If this video gets 500 likes, we'll dye his hair pink.
No!